This is by far the best sublimation printing settings for any Epson printing. Let's get into it right now. What we're going to do, we're going to go to settings. Boom. And once we get to settings, we're going to click on printer settings. And once we click on printer settings, we're going to click on paper source settings. And what you want to do here is click on paper setup. Once you click on paper setup, we're going to choose a cassette. But right now we're going to use the mirror paper feeder. And once you do that, you want to change your paper type to presentation mat or premium mat, or if you have an ink roller problem, piece roll problem, you want to change it to plain paper. Okay, but if not, then you want to click back out, and we want to go down, and you want to click on premium mat or presentation mat. For now, I'm just going to choose presentation mat. Okay, we're going to go back, and once you're doing that, we're going to go back again. Okay, we're going to go back one more time, and now we got to go here. You want to click on thick paper where it say off. We want to turn thick paper on. Okay. Quiet mode, it say off. We want to have quiet mode on as well. Okay. And once we do that, we want to change the ink drying time from standard to longer. And guys, by directional, we want to have it, if it's on, turn it to off. Okay. Have your destiny to 0. And that's basically it, guys. Also, make sure you guys do that inside your software as well. Thank you. Have a good day.